Alright everybody, welcome back to the bonus video. First bonus that we're going to do is the refund. So I will pull one poker chip out of here, and whatever team is on that poker chip will win the refund. That team is the Detroit Red Wings. So Detroit was picked up by Miss Ocean, so she will get a refund for Detroit. Put Detroit back in there. Let's go over the bonuses. As I said, there were 7 bonuses that did not win last week, so they are, or last break, so they are still in this one. The one that did get one is being replaced by the Jeff Carter in action from OPG. Then I will go back to the beginning. We had the Ryan Nugent Hopkins All-Star card. Did not get one last break, so I will add Ryan Nugent Hopkins and a Canada Hockey Card Day rookie card. Then we had the Corey Perry Anaheim Ducks Ice Kings. Didn't get one, so we're adding the Daniel Sedin Ice Kings. The Shea Weber Red Parallel from Crown Royal did not get one, so I'm going to add this Red Parallel from Prism 2004, numbered 105 of 260 of Ryan Smith. Then we had the Alexander Seaman jersey from Limited that did not get one. So I am going to add, sorry for the glare, Jason Pominville Authentic Fabrics from SB Game Used to that one. Then we had the 2 Nashville Predators Collector's Choice rookie cards that did not get one. So I am going to add a Score Blake Geoffrion rookie card and an OPG Blake Geoffrion rookie card. Then we had the 3, 1 rookie, the Team Choice Reserve, and the Marek Sidlicki Choice Reserve that did not get one, so I'm going to add a John Madden Retro and a Drew Bagnall rookie card. And the last one that did not get one was the Adam Graves Scratching the Surfaces, so I am going to add a Dustin Boyd autograph from Be a Player Signatures to that one. There are our cards. I will do a quick shuffle. Alright, there is your shuffle. I will do a quick cut of the cards. We will move the cards over there. Oh, make sure that one stays on the bottom. Move them back. You can see in front of those teams there are no cards. There are no cards in front of my excellent Lady Gaga CD. No cards on the side, all the cards are there. So we will deal them out to the 8 teams plus 1 for me. And 1 for me. And 1 for me. Now we will leave the cards all sitting there. I have not pulled the teams, so let's pull the teams. For the first one, the 2 Ryan Nugent Hopkins. The Anaheim Ducks. For the 2 Ice Kings, the Colorado Avalanche. For the 2 red mirror red cards, the St. Louis Blues. The 2 jersey cards, the Winnipeg Jets. The 4 Nashville cards, the Washington Capitals. The 5 Winnipeg Jets cards, the Philadelphia Flyers. The 2 autograph cards, the Tampa Bay Lightning, and the Jeff Carter in-action card, the New York Rangers. Alright, there's all the cards still in their same place. There's the deck. We will pick that up. Make sure we can get that bottom one in there. Didn't leave myself much room here. Make a little bit of room. Alright. We discard 1 card. Then we flip a Queen of Hearts, an Ace of Spades, and an 8 of Clubs. Then we discard another. We flip a Queen of Diamonds. And we discard 1 more, and we flip a 7 of Hearts. Alright. Again, we had a Queen of Hearts, Ace of Spades, 8 of Clubs, Queen of Diamonds, 7 of Hearts. My 2 cards are a 6 of Diamonds, nothing so far, and a 3 of Diamonds. I have absolutely nothing. I'm obviously not that good of a poker player. I have the board. My cards don't even play. I have pair of queens with ace, 8, 7. 6 and 3 are too low. So if you can beat a 7, that's all you need to beat to win. First hand has Jack 10. There's a winner. Still only pair of queens, but still wins. Second hand has Ace 5, 2 pairs. Another winner. Third hand has Ace 10. Another winner. Fourth hand, 9-3. The 9 beats my 6. Another winner. Sorry, 9-3. Ace 10. Next hand has 7-4, up 2 pairs. Next hand has 7-2, 2 pairs. This hand has Queen 5, yet another winner. And the very last hand has 8-3, another winner. Everyone's a winner. All these bonus cards will get shipped out to their teams. Everyone's a winner. Or as they say, chicken, chicken, winner, dinner. Something like that. Or winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's it. Haha. I'm a goofball. Alright, thank you guys very much. There's the bonus cards. Detroit gets the refund. All of those teams win those bonus cards. Thank you again for joining my break, and we'll see you next week.